Hello everyone, welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Saturday, yes, it's weekend, Saturday, November the 25th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles, yes, the Medium Sudoku and the Samurai Sudoku. This one I will solve tomorrow evening, and this one in a minute. Yeah, our daily Sudoku practice continues. We have here in this weekend edition, yeah, the puzzle page. The puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles for today. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. We have here 2 Sudokus with 3 stars. One killer Sudoku. We have 2 binaries, 10 by 10, and a tectonic. 4 of them I will solve today. Tomorrow, yeah, we have here the additional. The additional with 7 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow. But now, the Medium Sudoku, yeah. Our daily practice continues. This one. Let me start with this one, yes. This one. We position the camera first. I'm having trouble with the camera. Come on. Yes. Zoom this in. Okay. Oh, wow. This is not what I need. Okay. Alright, this one will be number 7506. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 1-star for 1-star puzzle. I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if I can manage this. Alright. Almost 3 minutes past. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers in the first column is number 1. Here can be 1 because we have 1 in this row. No 1 there. Here can be 1 because we have 1 in this row. So no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. So the 8 and a 9 and 4. So 2 numbers left in this first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. Now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. I need a 1 here. Yeah. Now. 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 6. We have 3 and a 6 in the last column. So no 3 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 and a 6 in the second row. No 3 and a 6 in those 2 boxes. So 3 and a 6 goes in these 2 boxes. as a pair. 6 and a 3, 6 and a 3. So now we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left on 9 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for a should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7. Let me mark those. 2 and 7. Alright. 7. Need 8 here. Then need a 2 here. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 place left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 2 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 in the row above. No 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. 2, 2. Need a 2 there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in this box. Here, 2 in this column, no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this third row could be here, could be there. Here or there. We have 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. And now, need a 5 here. Let me think. Need a 9 there, need a 4 here. And 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4, 4, okay. 4. How about here, the 4, 4, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last column. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and the 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. Then 7, 3. Then let me think. How about yeah, can it be 1 and 8. 1, 8, 2, 7. 1, 8, 2, 7. Okay. Interesting. 6. Come on. 8. I need a 1 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is the 1 and 8. Yeah, we have a pair. 1 and 8. We have 1 and 8 in this row. So no 1 and 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 1 and 8 in that row. So no 1 and 8 in this box. And we have a 1 and 8 in this column. So no 1 and 8 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes are left in this big square for the 1 and 8. Goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Alright. 3 and 4. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 3, 4, 6, 6. Need 6 there. Need a 6 here. 7, 8. We have 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level 8 should be there. We have 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 1 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 place level, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. Need a 9 here. And 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Alright. How about the... Come on. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. And I need a 4 here. 4, 3... 4, 3, 6. How about here? 3... 9, here can be 9, 9, 3, 9, and 7, 7. Well, come on. Do we have all the 8s? Yeah. Here 2 and 7, 6 and 3. 2, 2, need a 2 here. 4, 4, need a 4 here. I need also a 4 there. I need a 3 here. 3 and a 4 as a pair. That means that this box can be 3 and more. This box should be 6. That box should be 3. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 and a 7 are missing here. Yeah. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in the column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 7 goes there. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 place level 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 7, need a 7, need a 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Need a 9, 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 9. Goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing now. Okay. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 7. Goes together with the 4 as a pair. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. We have a 7 in this row, middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the model. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left for 6. Goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the model. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 7 and 9, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 and 3, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above only place level 3 should be there. Find out 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 in the 6 is missing, 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there, finish in 14 minutes. Wow, told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes. We solve it again, And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up. I've moved a little bit with the camera, apologies, but we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.